Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Right, so we are looking at page 10 here of Habits of a Successful Musician. And before we start this, let's just double check. Okay, that's a little sharp, so push out a little bit. I think the music stand angle is just a little bit off, so I'll move that down. So we're looking up and down the ladder. So this is pretty much just going up and down pitches, but changing articulations from staccato to legato. Although technically, tenuto would be the correct term. 1, 2, 3, and... Now we get into number 46, Crescendo, Diminuendo. And this is where I run into problems with the editing, that it doesn't always quite show what I want it to. That it tries to, editing tries to stabilize the volume, but let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, and... Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.